and everyone's wishing na suspended. And here I am thinking na sana may exam tomorrow. Very low maintenance yung exam namin. Gusto ko na matapos instead of waiting for another like week or so.
In the backseat, say you love, say you love, say you love. Ganun.
Bumalik na yung kaaway talaga nito. Oo,
Nakaway ko ito dati.
Nung wala ako inaaway.
Ano kaya mo? Awain ko din yan. Nagdadala.
Alam mo, hinahablot mo pa yung buhok ko dati nung first sem.
Nilang 102 lang.
Oo, ginagano kita dati.
Ay, hindi ko naririnig. Dead na sa'yo.
Ngayon, there's not much terms, so yun yung unahin ko. And then structures tomorrow. Ay, mga kambing! So yun muna yung gagawin ko because it's like low maintenance. Low maintenance math.
Kami na po. Ilan po na tayo? Ano? Uy, madali na yan. Madali na yan.
Game na!
Ready ka na, be?
Last exam of the day. Smells like ano, binbuzo.
Yeah. 1/1 plus NE squared. N over 1 plus NE squared. My God, hindi nyo alam yun. Ay, hindi.
Anything that's on your mind. I'm ready.
Hindi na ako ba?
Natawag ka na ng nanay mo. got to school, as you can see, hindi pa yung classroom and hindi pa naka-on yung aircon. So parang medyo napaaga ako. I have 3 exams today, 2 written and 1 lab. The lighting is so bad that I have to use my iPad screen because I didn't want to turn on the lights kasi ako pa lang. This exam is Basics lang sa Python, which is like a review for us from the first year. This has 4 pages. And then for the 3rd subject later, Introduction to Human-Computer Interaction. It's the one that I was doing website for. And this has 5 pages. So this has 5 pages worth of terms. This one is kind of easy kasi basics nga lang siya. So it's like a review lang. This is what the room looks like. Our class talaga is at 7 and I think it's gonna be like 6:32. So, yeah. And it's cold because I'm the only one here. I'm gonna go study. I keep saying that. But yeah, I'm gonna go.
Mag-exam na kami.
Uy, ano daw?
After Cisco exam.
Akala mo, sabay-sabay. Ay,
Okay, ulit. This is us before Cisco exam. Lord, sayaw, Lord. Sayaw.
may exposure kayo sa...
Tapos na sila.
Kasi bakit? Lagi na lang.
Kasi ba?
Puro na lang bakit?
Bakit? Habang.
Bakit?
Hey guys, I'm currently walking home.
Perfect na pala. Ayun na, perfect na pala. Para kung Barbie talaga. Barbie na talaga.
Sobrang ganda pala niya.
36 po. Ay, bawal pala magmura vlog to. 31 guys. I pass. Kasi yung water bottle mo, may kanino yun?
Kay Thea.